You can see I'm applying the paint nicely and wet. Not too wet, not a big puddle, but definitely not dry. And then I'm filling up my brush with water. I control the amount of water that's in my brush and I work that water towards the paint. And you can see the paint flowing into the water by itself. That's what we're after. And another view. Apply the paint, then rinse your brush. Control the amount of water that's in your brush. Apply the the water away from the paint and work it towards your paint gradually from left to right. Nice and easy so you can feel what you're doing on paper. And if you can have a look at the shine when I move the paper up, that's the sort of amount of water you would like to have on your paper.